Our first topic is called email structure. In this section, we're going to cover the 5 parts that every good email should have. The first part is called the greeting or the salutation. Now, this is how we begin an email, usually with something like "Dear" and the recipient's name.
The second part is called greeting to, or the pleasantry. For example, "I hope you're well," "I hope everything's okay," or "How are you?"
The third part that we're going to need is the reason for writing. So it's very important to make sure that in any good email that we're actually telling the reader the reason why we're actually writing the email. So this could be something like, "I'm writing with regards to invoice number 345. The next part is one of the most important parts of the email, and it's very often a part of the email that is neglected. It's called the conclusion or the call for action. It needs to be something that summarizes the email or lets the reader know what kind of response or action is required. Finally, we complete the email writing process with the signature. Now, the signature covers a final close, which is something like "kind" or "best regards."
What are the 5 parts of an email? Let's check the answers and see how you did. Put the sections of the email in the correct order. Let's check the answers and see how you did. Now it's time for your end of lesson test. See what you can remember from the lesson. What greetings can you use in an email? What pleasantries can you use in an email? Now give your reason for writing. Now give your conclusion or call for action. How do you sign off? Well done!